Well, good morning, everybody. Sunday morning. Yesterday was Saturday, obviously, and it was about 58 degrees yesterday, I think was the high. And last night about, 8, 9 o'clock, we had one hell of a cold front come through here. I mean, we had thunder and lightning like nothing we've seen all summer. And then you can see at the bottom of that tree right there, tore half of that tree off. So depending on what that tree looks like, I don't know, it might have to come down. But I got that mess to clean up. And it sleeted and rained and blew. And I don't know if you guys can see that. Above the barn there, that's snow. Just a mile or so from the house. So, pretty hard to see with this camera. But it's been snowing. And it says it's 37 here on the ground, so it's much colder above. But, so that's our morning. Yeah, I get to clean crap up that I didn't want to. So, alright, I'll get back with you here later today. Okay, so changing out the water. The 75 gallon just isn't enough for the cows. There's the wife going up for mushrooms. But I got a 100-gallon waterer here. So I got the electricity off. Okay. So, all you guys that are farming on flat land, I bet you don't have to stack your rocks underneath your water. Alright, I'm gonna have to set you down here. I'm gonna try setting you on this water. Oh well. Put my gloves on. Well, see what happens. pretty chilly out here. We had some snowflakes fall in here a couple minutes ago. All right. Now let's go down here and see how the water's laying. It's actually not too bad. Leaning a little forward, which is alright. It's kind of hard for the cows to reach this anyway, so. Alright. Well, it's pretty exciting watching the water run. So I'll catch up with you here in a little bit. Alright. So you can see right there is where this limb came out of. Pretty much just opened this whole damn tree up. I would say the next big wind we have, the rest of it's gonna go. And if that happens, well, then it'll get cut up. But here it is. Good 20 foot long, I guess. So I just hooked her up to got the little stuff in the bed. Hooked everything up to the Kubota. I'm just going to drag it up in the woods. It's really not good for firewood. It ain't much good for anything. So it's a, what do they call this? A pear tree. A decorative pear tree. So, alright, well, we're going to see how this goes. Kind of wet, so I'm hoping I can make it up through there. Okay, well, I'm out of the yard, so I think what I'm going to do is try to put you guys, I don't know, we'll see. See how this works. Hopefully I don't lose the camera. Well, that looks like it. Out of traction. As you can see, pretty muddy, but I mean it's a steep ass hill here, so I can get the tractor and Next time I have the tractor out, I can just bring it up here and get it out of here. Woo! But it worked. And we'll see if we can go up. I don't even know if I can go here, but we'll try. Get these branches on up in the woods. This is one of the reasons why I haven't mowed these fields. It's so damn slick. End up sliding to the bottom and crashing and burning. In here. We're going. Still spinning though. That's new. Or maybe not. Hell, I don't know. Whoa. Lifting the front tire off the ground. Holy Christ. Get some of my firewood up here. This section of the farm has a lot of hickory trees on it. Okay. I think that's it for now. Catch you on the next one.